welcome back to another Third Thursday video where every third Thursday of the month I'll be showing you a place where I have organized and styled something in my own home or something in my client's space. Hi, I'm Paige Killian, and I'm passionate about helping busy moms of littles get organized in 3 simple steps. So here's today's organization motivation. So today I am going to be sipping my coffee. Thank you to my little barista / camera woman, Isabel. Thank you so much. I'm going to be sipping some coffee. I'm here in my love sweatshirt because it is the month of February, but also because I slept in this last night. I did. It's chilly. I want to show you my kitchen drawers today. So come this way. I'll show you first our unjunky junk drawer. This is something I've done a podcast episode, a YouTube video on, and go back and check that out if you will. I just have these awesome, really bendy, malleable, which is so great for fitting in any drawer space, containers that I got from Target. So these long skinny ones come in a set, the little square ones, and then they have some other shapes as well. So I just have any like cards, papers, post-it notes, and of course museum wax if you're an organizer, you know, and some of these little staple things, the keys. Totally lock myself out of the car every now and then, so we gotta have the extra spare key. Glue, staplers, pencils, pens, scissors, tape, that kind of thing. So yeah, I love an unjunky junk drawer. I feel like you need to have one of those in every kitchen. If you're a busy mom of littles, you can get everything you need on the go. This drawer is actually a work in progress. So this is where I typically am doing the kids' lunches, and I have the different size Ziplocs and different things that we need. I am actually very excited because I am going to be ordering, as soon as it's back in stock, these really pretty wooden, they're actually the color of the inside of my drawers, these wooden containers that have gallon and sandwich and all the different sort of bags and these dispensers. So stay tuned for that, and I'll send you a link whenever I do get that. All right, here is just our silverware drawer. I highly recommend putting your silverware really close to your dishwasher because they're little and it's super easy to empty that out and put those here. I got this container, which is a wooden white expandable container. If you see that, it expands to fit your drawers at Target as well. I know I'm usually saying container store, but Target for the win on these today. And then I just have, you know, obviously you group them in like categories. So I just have my favorite Pottery Barn silverware here, and then a larger serving spoon here, an extra pair of cooking scissors, and then my 2 lighters for, as you can see, I've always got candles going in the kitchen. I love the smell, and it's just kind of nice to have that. So then I have my Tupperware drawer, and this is again where I'm usually packing snacks and lunches here on the counter, and so these are easy to grab, and you know, I didn't feel like I needed to overly organize it. I just stuck them together in like categories, and if you can stack them, then that's even better. Down here, this is almost like the junk drawer, but it's the linen drawer, and I just have my towels here for dishes, a drying thing if I need to. If ever there are some days that we need to not have their reusable lunch bags, then I have the paper bags, like on field trip days and things like that, so I can pack their lunches with this here, just some extra napkins, little table runner, and some other things back there. There's an apron under there too, but I don't cook enough to use an apron. That's the truth. All right, how about come over here and take a look at my coffee drawer. So again, same thing as the other one with the silverware. This is that white wooden Target drawer organizer. I have some little skewers here if we need to put anything for the barbecue or even fruits. Sometimes we do that on there. A little milk frother, something to get any of the like descaling stuff, any yuckies from the coffee maker, and of course chopsticks. Who doesn't have chopsticks in their coffee drawer? That makes sense. I don't know, it fit, okay? And sometimes that's okay for organizing drawers, that you just gotta make it fit. So these containers are the Made Good brand that I just happen to have left over from our old house. These are from the Container Store, and they just happen to work, so I just kept them instead of doing new ones. I may later get some that are sort of this bamboo looking color. And what I want to recommend whenever you're having a big drawer with lots of different cooking utensils is that you don't pile them all on top of each other. But if you can have a little space, so perhaps that means that you need to do a little declutter, then that is a good idea. But also, as you can see, I flipped these things, some upside down and some right side up, just again, so that, you know, obviously I could have done this and this could have gone in here as well. But again, it's just an opportunity to see and be able to grab things a little bit easier as soon as you open the drawer. And that is the name of the game in the kitchen when you're wanting to get things done quickly. So easily accessible, and when you can see your stuff at a glance, it makes things go a little bit faster, a little bit easier. So here's another one. This one is over by my stove, and so I have the things that I would, you know, stir and serve with. And this is another expandable one from Target. It's that same white wooden brand. I love it. And I just grouped like categories and also colors here because I think it just looks pretty. So I stuck with the black and the silver on this one. Also, these are, like I said, serving. These are great for serving. These things here, the spatulas are great because we are very close to the oven. And so I wanted to, again, just make sure that was easily accessible and have the oven mitts in there as well. And then this drawer, this is like our little bar drawer. We have just any, you know, anything we need to like open wine bottles with. We have straws for any of our cups. Again, it's those same bendy Target ones. I love those. They just seem to fit. In here, I have some toothpicks. I have some of these little things that you need whenever you're making a, like a workout drink or something like that, a smoothie, something like that, and you need to scoop stuff in. So that was a good place for that. And I truly just took some of these smaller ones and stuck them into a larger one just to make it feel like it was more organized instead of just having everything sort of shoved in there. So that was the idea behind that. Okay, I'm gonna take a sip of coffee and join me over here for the last drawer of my kitchen. Delicious coffee. So here we have got the miscellaneous drawer a bit. I have some extra plastic spoons and forks if I need to give those to the kiddos for their lunch. Some straws if we need some that we just are gonna have to toss. And also here, random, you might think, but it makes total sense to me. I've got a couple pairs of sunglasses. So whenever I want to have my coffee outside, which I'm very excited to do this morning, and it's pretty sunny, I have my sunglasses ready here. Always have an extra pair for any friends who come over. Right now, my sweet little, my videographer will have her sunglasses. So come on out and take a look at where I will be having my coffee this morning because it feels so good, even on a chilly day. So hopefully if you are trying to get your drawers organized, you'll check out some of these very helpful organizers that I have from Target, some that I always get from the Container Store, and make sure you are purging any stuff you're not using and only including things that you are, and group them in like categories. Seeing things quickly at a glance is definitely going to make your kitchen experience a lot better and more organized. So thanks again so much for watching this Third Thursday video. Cheers. Hey, thanks for watching this video. For more resources to organize and style your busy life in 3 simple steps, head over to everythingwithstyle.com and connect with me on Instagram at everythingwithstylemom. Don't forget to check out the Mom's Organization Motivation podcast over on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, any of your favorite platforms. And if you loved this video, it would make me so happy if you would subscribe and share it with your friends. Thanks so much for watching, and happy organizing.